I am petroonishchuk. Today's second video about CoreData and SwiftUI. All my projects what I created on my video you can find on my Git repository. Link to my Git repository I will put below in description. In this video I will be create a new view, and with this new view will be create a new book object, and then we'll be set this book object by using our CoreData. And also start point for this project is completed project from my first video. Start point for this project you can find in my Git repository. And now I want to start to create a new view, for create a new book object. For example, and now I want to explain what I change and what I don't change. Our persistent controller I don't change, and also our data model I don't change. And then, how you can see, inside our main view I change. Inside our toolbar I create navigation link to our new view. How you can see, when we tap to this navigation link, we move to our new book view. This new view I will be using for create a new book object. And now you can see this is our new book view. With this new book view we will be create a new book object. First, how you can see, we have our environment object. Through environment object we take our manage object context. Because we move to our new view through navigation link, we can use our environment object and take our manage object context, what we put in our environment object in abstract. And also we have environment for presentation mode, we'll be using for close our view and return to previously screen. And also we have a 3 state property for create our custom book. First property for title, for author, and also for publication date. Next, for create our custom book object, I create a view by using list, and also inside our list we have 3 views. First text view is our text field for create book title and also author for book. And also we have data picker for create publication date for our book. And also, how you can see, I put the button add book to our toolbar. When we tap to this button, we run this method add book. How you can see, this method create a new custom book object. First we create our book object by using new context, and then we assign to this object title, author, and publication date. And then we try to save our custom book object. At the end we dismiss our presentation mode, that means we return in our previously screen. If we have an error, we catch an error. This is our new book view for create our new book object, and save this project by using our CoreData. And now I run a simulator and show you how work our application. Now we run our simulator, and now when we tap to our plus button, we move to our new book view. How you can see, this is our plus button. And now we move to our new book view. How you can see, this is our text field for create a book title, book author, and also publication date. And now I try to create a couple book, for example. And now we have different book for testing our application, with different title, different author name, and of different date of publication. And now when I restart our application, we must have this 4 book, for example. How you can see, when we restart our application, we have our 4 book what we created previously. This means we save our 4 book in our application by using our CoreData successfully. This is the end of my second video about CoreData in SwiftUI. In this short video, I try to show you how you can create separated view for create a custom object and set this object by using your CoreData. This is the end. Thank you for watching.